The Ebira have been part and parcel of what is now generally known as Central Nigeria since 4000 BC. Ebira is one of the three main ethnic groups located at the Central Senatorial District of Kogi State, Nigeria. In Kogi State alone, Ebira people spread across 5 local government areas including Adabi, Ikene, Okehi, Ajaokuta, and Ogori Magongo. Ikene is said to be the administrative center of the Ebira-speaking people in Kogi State. The Ebira Ikene occupy the hilly stretch of land southwest of the Niger-Benue Confluence area and share boundaries with the Yoruba-speaking people of Akoko and the Jumu to the west, the various Akoko Edo people to the south and southwest, the Hausa, Nupe and Ebira groups at Lokoja to the north and the River Niger to the east. Ebiras are also known as Ibira, Ibera, Ibara, Ebira, Ebura, Katawa, Kotokori, and Kwoto. The term Ebira literally means behavior with ethics and hospitality. My first encounter with an Ebira dates back to my school days at St. David's Grammar School, Kudeti, Ibadan, where I had as a friend, reading mates, and classmates a morally upright, ethically brought up, hospitality personified, and beautiful young lady, Bilikis Salami. We weren't simply schoolmates. We equally lived in close proximity at Popo Yemoja axis of Bode, Ibadan. Those days, Bilikis Salami does not eat just any moi except that of Mama Jelili, Yalaide Olole, Unimoimoi Elemi Meje, with Tola Alamu in charge of sales. Characteristic of Ebira people, Billy is exceptionally beautiful, ethically sound, and exudes admirable hospitality. She left St. David's Grammar School for a nursing school before her innate entrepreneurship prowess came to life after 3 years in nursing school. Through the grace and rahmah of Almighty God, Bilikis Salami, now Aresingun Bilikis, born on 15th March few years ago, has become an island of ethics, grace, prosperity, hospitality, integrity, beauty, and entrepreneurship. Colleagues, great alumni of St. David's Grammar School, Kudeti, Ibadan, eminent friends and associates across the globe, join me to celebrate this Ebira Ikene Kogi State-born iconic Nigerian, Ajia Bilikis. Congratulations on your birthday. I wish you long, healthy, prosperous, and fulfilled life. Aresingun Bilikis ọmọ Salami, ó kú oríire ọjọ́ ìbí. Wàá dàgbà dùgbò, wàá fọwọ́ pawú, wàá fèrègé jòbì. La haula wala quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Ǹlẹ́ o, Bilikis ọmọ Salami ọmọ ẹkùn. Ìwọ lọmọ ẹkùn tó ń fi torítorí, ọmọ ẹkùn tó ń fi tìrùtìrù. Ìwọ lọmọ ẹkùn tó ń ṣeré orí ìpá, èèyàn tí ó gbéná wojú ẹkùn yóò sì mọ́ra wọn. Nílé bàbá tó bí ẹ lọ́mọ ẹ̀yìn ńlá kíkàkàkà lójú ọlọ́rọ̀. Ọlọ́rọ̀ bá gbọ́ kí lọ́lọ́rọ̀ yóò sì ṣe. Ọba ni wọ́n ń jẹ nílé bàbá tó bí ẹ lọ́mọ. Ìwọ lọmọ ẹkùn tágìrì gbéra ẹ̀ níjà. A kì í jọmọ ẹkùn kẹ́kùn pani. Bilikis ọmọ ẹkùn náà dá. Ọmọ ẹkùn náà rèé, ọmọ Salami ọmọ ẹkùn náà dá. Ọmọ ẹkùn náà rèé, Ikene nílé ọmọ ẹkùn náà dá. Ọmọ ẹkùn náà rèé. Darling classmate, sister and friend, Aresingun Bilikis ọmọ Salami, have a lovely and joyous celebration.